tayo ngayon. Ganda ng gown ni Chile, in fairness. She's in a pink gown. Mas maganda yung rehistro ng pink gown niya ngayon. Mukha siyang hindi makapasok pink gown. Mukha siyang hindi nagve-vape. Ayan, give natin kay Chile. Sana binuo na lang pala nila na parang pink yung gown niya hanggang dulo. Para hindi na break yung line niya. But everything else I like. Kaso lang ang problema ko kay Chile, palaging napadaan lang eh, no? Okay, next. Colombia. Okay, Colombia, buti na lang nag-change. Ang Colombia, isa sa mga countries na hindi malaging nag-change. I think this is a better gown on Colombia. This is pink. It's sparkly. Looks nicer on her. Better looking actually than her preliminary look. Mas simple. Buti, wala masyadong mga nakakabit sa kanya. Pero medyo tentative yung movement. Cuba. Hindi ko maintindihan yung parang mga booby things. Sana binuong gown na lang niya. Hindi na siya naglagay ng parang toga. Ayan. Hindi ko bet yung pa-cape. Oo, parang nilagyan ng tissue paper sa under boob. Tapos nilagyan ng fabric. Tinanggal na lang yan.
Ang ganda na. Ang ganda na.
Guadalupe, kakulay ng set, ng stage. Medyo... Pero ang ganda ng gown niya. Ang daming universal kineso. Mukhang mananalo si Guadalupe pa. Mukhang mananalo. Where's the upbeat music? Wala eh. Siguro pinigilan si Uncle gawin lahat ng gusto niyang gawin. Hindi siya magical. Para siyang graduation. Hindi siya magical Miss Universe. Okay, so yung gown nito, it has touches of Dior. Parang it's embroidered on mesh, pero may mga celestial thingy-majigs. Mexico is balot na balot, as usual. Like, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Hindi naman... Mukha siyang santo.
Oh, Chinese color.
Actually, mukha siyang mukha siyang sa Muslim country. Ba't siya naka-Chinese collar? Hindi ko maintindihan. Anong pinaglalaban nito? Galleon trade? Diyos. Parang graduation yung music. Nakakalungkot. Ano ba? Okay, si PR Miss International. Oo. Ano ba? Ano ba itong mga pa-cape na to? Ba't ang lalaki? Lakas makapagent. Baka dahil in morning tayo, siguro. Pero ang sad, mas okay pa yung sa El Salvador, no? Baka nga naman tribute dahil graduation nga naman. Nag-cape kung tinapon niya lang din naman. Parang timang. Ganda ng gown ni Venezuela. Maganda pang fashion show. Tsaka ba't may mga dragon na naman? Ano nangyayari? Ba't may mga dragon na naman? Sana naman tinapon niya yung cape kalagitnaan. Or yung hindi naman... Although ang ganda ng shape sa kanya, parang naiiyak siya. Parang hindi siya makalakad nang hindi ko maintindihan. Ano nangyayari? Parang hindi ganun ka fluid.
Supladang malditang hindi maintindihan.
Suplada na, maldita pa. Ang dami naman pinaglalaban nito. Yung China, maganda naman, kaso lang parang very Southeast Asia pageant yung dating. Parang puro, ayan na daw, ang ganda ni Atisa! Ayan na! Ay! Nagtaas ng buhok si Ateng!
Wow!
Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Ito yung Prada na fabric na gusto ko na parang liquid air. I love. It has palipik and anik-anik, but it's so pretty and it's so ethereal. Oh, wow. Mukha siyang multo in a good way. Hoy! Fairy!
Ay!
So pretty! Oh, fight pa kayo kay Baltaguba? At least, hindi sobrang stiff yung suot niya. Ang ganda ng fabric. Ang flowy. Halos pareho sila ni Vina. Ang saya-saya. Ang ganda rin ng gown ni Vina. Kaso lang parang medyo na-blown away tayo dun sa gown ni Atisa na parang, wow! Diyos sa aparisyon! White lady sa Balete Drive. White lady sa Luwakan Road. It's amazing. I love that she put her hair up na very pageant na pageant. Vina, pasensya ka na, hindi ka tuloy namin mapag-usapan ngayon kasi medyo hindi pa kami over dun sa look na yon. Vixie, ano na? Diyos ko! No, it really wasn't that edgy. It was more on the ethereal side, but I like that they added in like more structure. It had like elements of Iris Van Herpen, pero mas toned down. So, ephemeral. I love it. Ethereal. I love all of these words. So, pasensya na Malta. Kahit naganda-gandahan ka ngayon, na hindi kita masyadong mapansin ngayon because what was that? What was that look? Yes.
Unique. Very unique.
Because it had elements of Iris Van Herpen. That's right. Oh my gosh. Vixie, ano na? Emma Tiglaw entrance. Mukhang Ria ng gawa. Nag-blend sa LED. Actually, lahat kasi sila parang may pa-reveal, may pa-cape. Gusto ko kasi yung kay Atisa. Guys, I wanna show you something. So this was a dress that was worn by Hunter Schafer. Not too long ago. It was a Prada dress. Okay, wait lang.
Ay, maraming pink.
Teka. So it was a Prada dress, tapos may ganong fabric. Wait lang. Okay, so this is Hunter Schafer from Euphoria. And she wore a Prada dress in 2024. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah. There. So that's the fabric that I've been wanting to show you guys. It's like a new fabric na lumabas kailan lang. Tapos sobrang lightweight niya. Tapos kapag gumagalaw siya, parang very ghost-like. I'm really happy na nagawa nila yan. Ayan yung fabric. Oh my gosh! I'm so happy. I'm like super happy.
Tsaka very strong yung ano niya.
Strong presence. Yung, yeah, strong presence. Unique gown.
Unique.
It was so nice. It was really so nice. Teka. Ethereal. Ephemeral. Beautiful. Ang ganda-ganda.
Okay, let me be on first. It was
She, I have to say, what an exquisite pink dress. She gave me like some peace. I just felt like peaceful when she walked. She was
Organza eleganza.
body of her.
The gown is great.
It was
If ever mag-top 5, baka po mag-blend si Atisa tapos may kulay ang aangat. Lumaban si Malta.
Colombia is a powerhouse country, and she is not disappointing her country. She has been consistent time and time again, so I'm not surprised to see her in the top.
Absolutely. I have to talk about Cuba. Lina Seoto.
Ganda ng gown, magpapaputok ka rin sa...
And so pure.
Wait,
Elegant.
sayang yung turn sa una, hindi nakita.
I love what she did with her hair. I thought that was a very smart choice because she had a high neck and she was really working it. I think she's fighting for it, and we need to watch out for her.
Mexico with her dress in red. Mexico loves red.
Mexico does love red. Usually naka-red sila palagi.
She looked like a goddess.
Okay, also China. I had her on my radar since swimsuit. Her hair is perfection, and I'm happy to see a country that you don't usually see at the top here tonight.
Venezuela, that was incredible.
Not surprised about Venezuela.
Another goddess walking on the stage. She was so amazing. Her self-control, her eye contact. She knows the
Okay.
cameras very well.
Very, very much so. Also Thailand. She had so much support. I think it was very smart, the gown choice with her too. Oh my gosh, we're running out of time.
Oh my
I still
God.
want to say something about Cote d'Ivoire. That reveal, that had some impact. Did we miss anybody?
In the Philippines, that was a dream.
That was a dream.
A dream come true. Absolutely.
Sino?
Yung Philippines.
All the ladies are bringing it. Okay, but after
That was a dream come true because it is. Come on. I feel like we're gonna win this. I don't know.
Nako, iiyak na.
What is this? This reminds me of a villa. It's so villa. Oh my gosh, my Harry Potter heart is happy.
Ano yun? Anong susunod na segment?
Twerk, chos.
No.
Ano na? Top 5.
Oh? Ronald, ka naman, nigaril mo na tayo.
How did they keep that shape?
Hindi pwede sa labas.
Sa labas kayo maninigarilyo.
Sa highway po eh.
Oo.
Mahirap po dyan. Baka,
Sa labas kayo.
Ako pwede akong patakbo-takbo eh. Maano po dyan, may impid dito. Kaya tinitis ko. Sa harap po.
Diyosa! Pero parang gusto ko rin ng multo. Immortal. Diyos ko, lahat ng mga Encantadia dreams natin nandito na.
Mga polis po tsaka barangay
Gosh.
Nakatago lang ako sa harap.
Ganda!
Ito po ngayon eh.
Ganda! Gusto ko tong dikya! Ano ba?
Nag-aaralan mo ba kung saan pwede?
Sana may hangin.
Sa harap talaga.
Tita Lavinia! Multo! Diyosa! Jellyfish! White lady! White lady sa balete!
Wala.
Lahat na!
Tinanong ko kanina.
Isa pass! Oy, magbigay-pugay kayo kay Val Taguba. Loko kayo. Away-away nyo si Val. Si Val na walang malay. Ganda-ganda ng gown niya. Oh my God! Ang daming happy! Mocking. Luto na talaga pag di pinapasok. Palikpik in the best way possible. Tita Cote d'Ivoire, Puerto Rico, Philippines, Thailand, Venezuela na to. Very Iris Van Herpen. To be honest, parang Miss Grand Myanmar last year yung gown ni Atisa. Hindi ko nakita. Siya lang ang naisip ko. Check mo photo shoot. Mas bet ko yung hair pero shoota. Okay lang. Pinost ko na yung photo shoot. Ghost projection. I love it. Parang naalala niyo yung sa Harry Potter, si Grey Lady, yung pag yung mga ghostly things sa Harry Potter, it has that thing. It's structured, it has shape. Bati na ba kayo ng palikpik gowns? Okay na yan. Crown ready yung hairstyle. It's like the Patronus charm because it is. Expecto Patronum. Oh my gosh. Expecto Patronum. I love. Yes, very multuhan. Ghost in the Machine. I love it. Very astral. I like. No pressure. Na-pressure ng todo si Val. Oo, na-pressure siya ng todo. Tita, ikaw naman, may doubt kay Val dati. Of course, I have doubts. Ghost Project, may smoke effect. Very fitting to sa mga Pilipino, yung ghost gown para sa Ghost Project. O kaya naman pageant unicorn, come on. Give natin kay Val Taguba. So, meron tayong Mac Tumang and Val Taguba Supremacy. Give natin. Mac Tumang and Val Taguba Supremacy. Fairness ha. Nagdi-deliver. Happy mga akla ngayon. Kung ano man ang mangyari, nag-deliver tayo sa lahat ng bagay. Hinain natin sa kanila. So yes, it was a release the Kraken moment. I'm really very happy. I really hope that she nails Q&A. Ayan. Q&A na lang. Sana masapian ni Muning. Wala na ako nakikitang kalaban. Dinala tayo ni Sir Val sa Kalawakan. Come on. Dinala niya tayo sa cosmic world.
Si Maria Atisa Makiling.
Si Maria Atisa Makiling. Ang dami niya sinagasaan ngayon, 'di ba? May dala siyang sariling usok. May dala siyang sariling insenso. May dala siyang sariling fog. My gosh. Wait lang, nawiwiwi na ako. Kapalaran ko na magwiwi. Ang daming chocolate, ah.
Kumain na pa.
Hey, I'm back! Top 5 na!
5?
Hinga! Top 5! Of course, Thailand. Of course, why not?
May ano po yun, no? Sunday.
May Sunday.
Sunday?
Oo.
May Sunday?
Yes.
Alam.
Okay. Here we go.
Ay, Sunday.
Pasok! Pasok na pasok! Yun o! Naka-top 5 din tayo, guys. Medyo matagal. Bago tayo naka-top 5. Woo! Diyos ko, pareho sila halos ni Vina ng gown. Ay! Ha?
Wala yan, Mexico. Wala yan.
Next, to secure her place in the top 5.
Venezuela, Mexico.
Venezuela!
Fourth runner-up.
Ay! Dapat runner-up daw. Stress ako. Come on!
Wala yan, wala yan.
Diyos ko, lahat ng mga controversial, nilagay nyo dyan. Okay, fine.
Ano yun? First si Atisa. Baka siya na. Tapos second runner-up si Venezuela.
Pinapasok talaga nila si Mexico! Award! Pinapasok talaga nila. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Okay, nandun na ako. May pinaglalaban siya, pero hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Sige na. Pinilit nyo talaga, no? Pa yan? At the expense of everyone na mas nag-perform. Papasukin nyo si China! Guadeloupe! Ah, si Cote d'Ivoire. Okay, mananalo na si Cote d'Ivoire nito.
So, dyan si Malta.
Ay, wala na si Malta.
Si Chile, wala.
Wala na rin. Nako, habang si Raulo ang presidente.
Oh!
Ay! Awarding ceremony.
Pasok na si Malta.
Walang Malta, oy.
Wala. Si ano na lang.
Yun na yan. Top 5. So, our top 5 is Thailand, Philippines, Venezuela, Mexico, and Cote d'Ivoire. Lahat naman medyo naisipan natin. Cote d'Ivoire, si Mexico ang hindi ko naisip na uusad hanggang top 5. Natatawa ako kay Vina tsaka kay Atisa. Parang medyo magkapareho sila. Walang Colombia. Okay lang naman yung 5 na expected ko naman. Siguro sa pwesto ni Mexico, lalagay ko si Guadeloupe. Diba? Ikulong sa CR. Si Cote d'Ivoire, Mexico, ano ba yan? Dapat si China. Si China or si Guadeloupe sana yung ipinasok nila. Pilit na pilit kasi yung narrative ni Mexico eh. Siyempre, na-pick up na ng buong mundo, kaya siguro ipapasok at papasok talaga nila lahat yun. Pero, sorry, ang juice ni Philippines. Medyo, ano lang sila, medyo very similar lang talaga sila ni Vina kanina. Yes, may top 3. So, ano ba? Happy ako kung makaka-second runner-up, pero kung kaya natin magtuloy-tuloy hanggang Miss Universe, bakit ba hindi? Ano ba? Ang saya-saya dahil umabot tayo. Umabot tayo! Grabe daw yung hiyawan sa Thailand ngayon.
Kay Atisa.
Oo.
Patay.
Mag-sorry kayo kay Tito Val. Lahat tayo. Ganda ng mga shots. Uy, pero guys, at least pasok na tayo sa top 5 ah. Medyo matagal bago tayo nakapasok ulit ng top 5. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa tayo pa-decline na. May fighting spirit pa tayo. Grabe, nakaka-proud.
Okay lang yung kailan yung Miss Friendship, Miss Photogenic, kailan yun?
Baka mamaya, baka kayo. Okay. Tita, happy na ako. Sobrang no matter where this goes, sobrang happy na ako. I think nakapuntos na tayo dito, guys. Of course, I'd still love to win Miss Universe, but palagay ko nakapuntos na tayo. Okay na ako sa top 5. Kasi kahit na anong mangyari, runner-up position na yun eh. Wala pa si Victoria. Magpapasa lang yun ng corona tapos goodbye.
Mag-honeymoon sila ni ang boyfriend niya.
Wag na natin ituloy. Tita, Thailand and Mexico can't win. In a controversial year, they can't afford to crown na may association sa host and owner. Yung Cote d'Ivoire nga. Medyo may konting controversy tayo eh. Konti lang naman. Walang top 3. Alam ko may top 3 ah. Alam ko magko-Q&A pa sila. Oy! My gosh, siguro na busy ako dito. 1,100 pala tayo nanonood ngayon dito. Thank you. Tita, halatang sad si Dayanara, kitang-kita sa eyes niya. Kasi walang Puerto Rico. Kebs, Diyos. Andun ako sa parte ng buhay ko. Bahala kayo dyan, Kebs.
Sila naman ang hosting country next year.
PH Vene and Kot ang malakas. Walang halong lagay.
Oh, I agree.
Dalawang Q&A, so may top 3. Alam ko may top 3 pa. Grabe yung sigaw ko! Yung gown ni Atisa nagdala. May dala siyang sariling fog machine. Yung bulong-bulungan si Venezuela, nilakad daw ng Cartel Award. Venezuelan cartel ba? Ilang taon na yung Thailand at Mexico sa top 5 na yan, ha? Pues, mag-holding hands tayo ng Cote d'Ivoire. I would put Puerto Rico over Mexico or Guadalupe over Mexico or even China over Mexico. Na-realize ko, tita, na puro nakaban yung top 4. Mexico lang ang kit-kit. Naku, baka naman si Mexico. Tumama ba top 5 prediction mo sa PhilStar? Hindi. Walang Latina tsaka walang Mexico. But everything else, I think so. Timo, Vicky si Mexico. Ron, ano ba tong binigay mo sa akin? Wala namang hot fudge to.
Ito.
Anong wala?
Walang hot fudge, puro vanilla lang yan.
Wala na.
Yun nga, kasi kinuha mo lahat ng ano.
Oh, kala ko hindi mo gusto yan.
Wala rin to.
Pagpilian na yan, siyempre.
Wala ba ako? Wala ba akong sarili?
Meron.
Bakit wala ako? Ba't ko kinakain yung mga tira ninyo? Bigyan niyo ako ng hot fudge.
Bakit nagwa-wine ka pa?
Because it's a fiesta. It's Miss Universe. It's Miss Universe. Ayan. Tita, sino nag-alaga sa mga fur babies mo? Siyempre, si Uncle Kit. Yung uncle nila. Uuwi naman si motherhood mamaya. Bigyan na ng hot fudge. Nakakainis, binigyan nila ako, thank you. Binigyan nila ako ng hot fudge, tapos yung mga white stuff na lang. Wala na yung ano. Thank you. Nina and Joshua, Timo, Vicky, Rushton. Masarap yung white chocolate cereal. Kaso ang tamis. Ang tamis pag white chocolate eh. Bakit parang Timo hot fudge naman to? Wala masyadong hot fudge.
Oo nga.
Sa gilid?
Okay.
Kaya mo sa gilid pag ano doon, no?
I'm so happy for Atisa. I am so happy for Atisa as well. Tita, may bakla heart is super happy. Lahat ng bakla heart natin. Again, I'm still not nervous. I don't know why. May reminder kanina sa host, bawal magtulong sa makeup. Okay lang. Kayang-kaya naman natin. Anong reklamo ko? Ang reklamo ko nasa gilid lang ng hot fudge. Puro puti lahat. Ay, naku si Miss Ellen. Tita, papadalhan kita ng, ano to? Oods? Ano yan? Ng food. Matic yung slot ng Mexico at Thailand. Sino tong performer? Ba't wala ngayon?
Magic yan.
Magic ba?
Magic.
Magma-magic siya?
Tignan yung suot.
Loko, hindi magma-magic yan. Si Jeff Satur. Sino si Jeff Satur? Grabe yung cheekbones niya. Sira ang final picks ng mga latik. Sira pa ba yun? Ang dami nga nilang latik na nakapasok. Ulitin ko, comment ko kung prelims, nangangamoy ikalimang corona. Actually, nangangamoy ikalimang corona. Pero ewan ko. Sana ibigay nila.
Maria. Naku, Ron. Yung Lena. Manigarilyo.
Manigarilyo na kayong dalawa. Ibaba mo na to sa baba. Magtago na kayo.
Mahirap doon.
Ha?
May dala po kayong ID pag nahuli tayo.
Bala kayo, wala akong 500 pantubos sa inyong
Hindi
dalawa.
500 ang ano dyan, ha?
Magkano?
2.5.
2.5 na! Wala akong 2.5 para sa'yo! Tiisin mo yan!
Dati nahuli na ako dyan, 1.5. Bigla na lumulusot yung
Ba't ka naninigarilyo pag bumababa ka dito?
Tago nga.
Magtago kayo ni Mama.
Takbo-takbo kami dyan sa baba.
Nung sabihin ni Mama, I have a condition. Wow! Ayan na yung final. Ano ba naman tong Miss Universe na to? Parang rehearsal. Lungkot, no? PH and PH ang last two. Kanino ang winning glow? Ang winning glow ay na kay Atisa, guys.
Diyos ko. Sana madapa ka, Day.
Huwag naman. yung kasama ko.
Dapa ka, Day. Lupad na bala. Doha pa na imo dragon da.
Hindi na natin isasama talaga sa live.
Dana! Sigaw, Dana!
Pag Darna sa atin yun eh. Pero bakit very Chinese looking nga yung gown niya? No? Si Atisa talaga yung deja vu ko kay Pia. I know! Grabe si Okasan! Bubusalan na natin to! Ikukulong na natin to sa CR! My gosh. Cote d'Ivoire.
Sexy.
Yeah, but it's so sexy, pageant sexy.
Ay,
Just,
to, may laban to. Oo. Yung dalawang nakapula, ipasok na yun sa banga.
Tita, what fabric is yung parang transparent silk? I know it's a new type of organza. Wait. They're calling it Sphinx organza. It's a type of organza. Yun yung organza na fabric. Kaya no. Q&A na!
Okay.
Vene and Mexico giving Chinatown. I agree with you. Super organza. Ayan na, kukulong na. Si Mama nag-CR na, kukulong na natin yan. Ingay. Mapapahamak tayo sa mga komentary ni Mama. Cote d'Ivoire is giving Leila Lopez. Q&A! Louis Heredia, Thailand! Kumakain sila ng Mike, tita. O sige, kain lang ng kain. Yung mga baka pula, parang kandila ng mga Chinese sa puntod. Okay, ayan na si Vina. Okay, wait.
Thank you very much, Miss. You've chosen number 8, Louis Heredia.
Louis Heredia kagad.
Okay, this is my question. If you win Miss Universe and you're given the chance to speak in front of the United Nations Assembly, what global issue would you talk about and why did you choose
Common,
that
no?
global issue?
Common question.
First of all, สวัสดีค่ะ Hello, hola.
Hello and hola.
If I were to speak in front of the United Nations about the SDGs, I would choose women equality. Because I believe that all of us deserve
Equality.
respect, kindness, and same equality as other genders. And we deserve the same respect in the workplace, as well as the safety.
Kung ako pupunta sa
And
UN,
I encourage you all
climate
to
change
speak
ka
your
agad.
voice, raise your voice.
Grabe nangyayari sa Pilipinas eh.
Thank you.
Frontliner tayo.
Thank you very much.
Atisa na.
Good night, everyone.
Okay naman yung sagot ni Vina. Solid naman for me. Very common, but solid.
Please, Miss Philippines, would you step forward?
Ah, ganda-ganda ni Atisa. Winning glow. Actually, pumapuli na Ami Links, ha?
Thank you very much. You have chosen Judge 7, Minnie Bailoy.
Wait, shh.
Hi, Miss Philippine. How are you feeling? Okay. My question for you today is, as a global ambassador or citizen, what will be your contribution to humanity?
Hirap ng tanong sa kanya.
You know, I want to be the hope of people. I come from a very poor background. I started pageants at 10 years old to put myself through school and to lift my family out of poverty.
Sapi
And
ni
if there's
Catriona.
anything that I want to show the universe, I'm here right now. I'm standing as Miss Universe because I was able to get myself out of any situation because I was hardworking, I was persistent, and I fight for what I want. Thank you.
Laban! Yun ang core! Wow! Yun yung, galing sa loob. Yun yung sinasabi ko sa Q&A. Kailangan nasa ano mo.
Palagi na
Hindi ka sumagot na sumagot lang. Kailangan sumagot ka ng,
Thank you very much, Miss Venezuela.
Ayan na.
diba? Yung nasa iyo. Ay, napaka-flawless, Day, pag hindi nyo pa ibigay sa amin yan, Day.
Thank you very much.
Marami na kami.
Consistent, Day. Hindi siya mid.
Judge number 4, Angela Mesa.
Gusto ko yung umpisa na, you know, kasi yung very conversational eh.
In a world where cultural differences can separate people, how would you choose your platform to promote empathy and understanding between
Very
different
hard
cultures?
Ang hirap din ng question sa kanya.
Cat Island.
Pero matalino to.
Question.
Matalino tong Venezuela.
I thank God that I had been given the opportunity to live in different continents of this world. So I have a broad view of the different cultures and an understanding of how to have empathy with the people, how to communicate, and how to break those barriers of language. I believe that this platform gives us access to every corner of the world, and it teaches us that us as women with a voice and being a role model, it is our future, the children, the elder, the people that see us, that hear us, and we depend on making a difference. Thank you.
Maganda rin naman yung sagot ni Venezuela, pero puro English. Hindi siya hindi tagus ba sa puso?
Coming from the
Oo.
inside.
Magaling mag-talk talaga si Vene. Di ba parang laking Australia to siya? Pero wala yung parang hugot sa puso. Walang ganon. Pero flawless naman. Actually, pati si Thailand din naman kanina eh. Sana bitawan niya yung
You have
gown niya.
chosen Judge number 1, Dr. Doc Chalita.
Hola,
Sorry.
Miss Mexico. In your
Oh, it wasn't
perspective,
heartfelt.
What are the challenges of being a woman in the year 2025, and how would you use the title of Miss Universe to create a safe space for women?
Napakawalay daw ni
around the
Mexico.
world? Thank you for your question. As a woman and as Miss Universe,
Nako, goodbye Mexico.
I will put my voice and the power in the service of others. Because nowadays, we are here to speak up, to make change, and have everything here. Because we are women, and the brave ones that stand up are the ones that will make history. Thank you.
Si Mexico yung parang nasa Bridesmaid Wars. Yung nag-iimbento na lang ng Spanish words.
Please step forward. There's a question.
Feeling ko si Cote d'Ivoire tsaka si Philippines na to.
Thank you so much, Miss. You have chosen Judge number 6, Sharon Fonseca.
Hello. Education today focuses on knowledge, but not always on emotional skills. What emotional skill do you think should be taught to every child in school and why?
Philippines, Venezuela, or Thailand?
Well, as a woman who has a foundation on education, I think it is important that we teach young girls to love themselves. That is why my slogan is assume your identity. Because if you love yourself, if you have confidence, you can walk into this world and you can shine. So I will urge every young man and every young woman to love
So for
yourself
me,
first.
it's Cote
Be who you
d'Ivoire,
want to be. And shine. Thank you so
Philippines,
much.
probably Thailand. Parang mas may sense yung sagot ni Thailand actually kaysa kay Venezuela. Si Venezuela kasi ang monotone, parang wala ring warmth yung delivery niya. Feeling ko pasok tayo sa top 3. I thought we had like a really powerful answer and a really relatable delivery. Yeah. Yeah. Itulak sa stage si Cote d'Ivoire, pero iba kasi yung iba yung approach ni Atisa na parang, you know, I came from poverty. Yung parang, kumare, alam mo ba, ito pinagdaanan ko. may ganong vibe. Yung iba kasi parang sagot recitation. Okay sa akin yung sagot ni Atisa. Okay sa akin yung sagot ni Atisa kasi hindi siya pageant na pageant. Parang it makes you feel na this is a person well-trained na kaya niyang gawing conversation ng Q&A. No bias Alam ko Pilipino rin naman talaga ako, pero kung sasagutan din lang, dun ako kay Atisa.
Tsaka hindi, through experience.
Si Atisa talaga yung heartfelt. Mukhang ipapasok nila si Venezuela.
If I can do it, you can do it.
Ulitin mo nga! Paano mo sinabi?
If I can do it, you can
O di, ikaw na. Wala namang age limit. Gusto mo? Gusto mo ipasok ka to sa Quezon City? As a new Quezon City resident?
No.
Andito kami, ang daming gagawa ng costume mo. Ang daming gagawa ng Gagawa kami ng banner, gagawa kami ng costume. Mangangalampag ako ng designer. Gusto mo ba? May sumaling 70 plus years old. Pwedeng-pwede ka doon.
Hindi ako 70.
I know! May sumali na nga, so pwede ka na nga sumali.
Ayoko.
Akala mo naman. F na F. Akala mo naman pinipilit
No.
talaga.
Yana.
Akala mo naman up for discussion. Philippines, Thailand, Cote d'Ivoire, based on Q&A. Tita, mahirap ba mga Q&A ni Mexico, Thailand, and Ivory Coast? Actually, medyo mahihirap yung questions nila ngayon. Osaka for Mrs. Universe!
Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Hindi ka naman taga-Osaka, taga-Tokyo ka.
Even though it's still in Japan.
Japan. Mommy for the win. Mama Lavinia and Mark Baumgartner. Sino bang gusto mo? Mangangalampag tayo. Mag-aano tayo?
Okay. Gusto ko si Mark.
Ako, close kay Mark. Okay.
Gusto ko si Michael Cinco.
Nako, close kay Michael Cinco. Di ba, lumiga ko rin yon. Sino pa?
Sino po?
Ginagroom na si Mama. Wala kaming mag-groom sa amin eh. Who is your top 3? I am choosing Thailand, Philippines, and Cote d'Ivoire. Yeah. Unless ilalaglag nila si someone para maipasok si Venezuela. Rekta ang sagot ni Atisa, sabi ng EU chapter. First runner-up si Cote d'Ivoire from a business perspective. Business perspective, I think they would do well with Thailand, of course, and the Philippines. Very Donya ang aura ni Mommy. Papapayatin ko yan, ano ba?
No.
Papapayatin natin yan. Gagawin natin yung batak na batak.
Nag-gloss na ako.
Hindi, kailangan pang Miss Universe yung batak na batak.
Don't you worry.
Don't you worry. Mapapasabak pa pala tayo. May pagkagastusan pa pala ako. Pagkatapos ng kaso ko, si mama pala. Yung full transformation. I'm nervous about Cote d'Ivoire. Huwag kayong manervyos. Kasi kung destiny naman ni Cote d'Ivoire yan, bakit ba hindi? I'm just saying,
hindi pa sila naka-Miss Universe.
but wait, I'm just saying, hindi naman naging complacent si Atisa. Laban naman si Atisa.
Yeah. Up to the very end.
Ang class daw ni Mother, parang mananampal ng pearl necklace and Birkin. Manunod nga lang yan dito, naka-pearl set parang timango. Wala nang top 3, tita. Sabi kanina ng host 2 rounds of Q&A yung top 5. Talaga ba? O di sige, bigyan nyo ng Q&A drill si Atisa.
Actually, si Mexico mahina sa Q&A.
Talaga ba? Nahihinaan ka sa kanya sa Q&A?
Yeah. Hindi ko makita yung logic ng ano niya.
Baka naman language barrier.
No.
Mag-Spanish ka nga. Nakakainis sa Spanish ka siya!
Aquí está la palabra yo.
Oh my God, yan din yung favorite ko. Palagi kong ginagamit yan. Tita Spanish, aquí está la palabra yo.
This is the letter Y.
Oh my God, alam natin. Alam mo kung saan galing yan? Galing yan sa Sesame Street. Aquí está la palabra yo. Yun din lang ang alam ko. Noong nag-call center ako, meron ako nalaman na bago. Lo siento. Pero no habla español.
Sorry, di ba?
Lo siento.
Sa Italy naman, lo siente.
Oh, ano ba naman? Pick a struggle. Meron ka ng...
Lo siente.
Nakakaloka. Wala daw top 3. Okay, andito na tayo. Ayan na. Meron pa isa. Okay. Let's fight. Fight.
Si Vina.
Okay, Vina ulit.
I'd like to start with you. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Thailand, please step forward.
Fight!
Congratulations.
Wala ng top 3.
Miss Thailand, if you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I believe that everyone who's been through all the struggles, failures, everything in life, we can get back up. It's not about how you failed, but how you rise up. I would encourage you all to be your own shield, to light that light within yourself and light it on others. And
parang mahulog ng earring.
Together,
Parang mahulog ng earring.
The world will be a much better place. And I encourage you all to never fear. I am standing here as your next Miss Universe, and I hope to be.
Okay, yung sagot ni Vina, wala lang conviction.
Thank you, Miss Thailand.
Parang wala sa heart.
Walang conviction, okay. Ayan na si Philippines. Ayan na.
Okay, go!
Hello, how are you? And congratulations, Miss. Miss Philippines, if you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I work with an organization called Allen Academy, where we work with young people to provide them opportunities to make them realize that it doesn't matter what your life circumstances is. It doesn't define where you will go. And I want to continue working with Allen Academy in a bigger platform like Miss Universe to pursue making sure that people who come from low-income backgrounds are given the same opportunities as everyone else. Thank you.
Kapkum ka! Kapkum ka, Thailand! Wow! Naglalakad na may kasamang multo. Ganda! Wala. Sisiw na sisiw kay Atisa. Okay din naman yung sagot ni Vina, kaso lang parang nagre-recite siya kanina eh. Walang puso.
No emotion.
Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
I believe that education and communication go hand by hand to influence positive activity from the girls, from the
Si Venezuela parang nasa training
I'm
drill.
standing here because with my life experiences, I've been able to become the person I wanted to be. And this is the representation of a woman that's determined and with her conviction, she's reached her goal. And that is what I want all the girls to search.
Pero medyo matagal nagkaroon ng Venezuela na ganito ka well-spoken ah.
Thank you. Miss Venezuela.
Guys, Philippines na. Kung consistency, bigay nyo na kay Philippines.
Ganyan siya, stiff niya.
Paano? Paano maglakad? Paano maglakad? Paano? Nakakainis.
Ang stiff. Ano ba yun? Ganun.
Paano?
Miss Universe, I would say to them, believe in
Paano?
power and love.
Lava walk.
Believe in yourself. Your dreams matter.
Diyos me. At andito na naman si Mexico.
Never let anyone
Nasa parang underwater magsalita.
about your worth, because you are everything, and you are powerful, and your voice needs to be heard. Thank you.
Walang impacto Mexico.
Parang ano?
Si Atisa lang talaga.
Please step forward for her final question.
First runner-up ka, Cote d'Ivoire.
If you win the title of Miss Universe tonight, how would you use this platform to empower young girls?
Pero si Atisa kasi, kung mananalo siya, tapos Thailand pa yan, my God, laking bagay niyan sa Thailand ngayon.
That makes us culture, that makes us
Biruin mo,
modern and traditional. I want to be
Grand
the
Slam.
face of a new era.
Kasi si Emma tsaka si Thailand.
Kaya nga eh.
Unapologetic about
Eh,
today.
parang history repeat itself.
I want to be a role model for other young girls and let them know that you too can make it. Go in those rooms where you think you don't belong.
Mababad trip siguro to pag nag-first runner-up ulit.
Pursue your identity.
I bet. First runner-up yan.
Thank you all for your attention.
Alam mo, okay lahat ng answers nila, pero iba kasi yung hatak nung kay Atisa, parang there's joy, there's a little bit of drama.
Emotion.
Oo. Klaro yung, well, advantage kasi she speaks English, of course. Very straightforward, sincere, I agree with you. Philippine Airlines, overall Philippines talaga. Yeah, if you're going to look back sa preliminaries, ito talaga for her. Sikot or Thailand ata ang luto. Potek Philippine Airlines, pasok. Siguro naman, like by this time, siguro wala na silang kailangan i-discussion dyan. Nakikita nyo naman si Atisa na nagpo-perform eh. Flawlessly, actually. Philippine Airlines, tsaka Playtime, pasok. May top 3, sabi wala na daw. Galing ni Atisa, ha? Galing-galing niya. As a Miss Universe, sana manalo tayo. Kapanapanalo yung performance natin ngayon, sa totoo lang.
Agree.
Grabe, ang regal ni Atisa. Tsaka sana bigyan nyo na yung empire ng isang Miss Universe nila. Nakanahimik na rin sila. Winner na yan. naman. Parang wala naman na siyang kalaban. Parang wala siyang kalaban sa totoo lang Diyos. Will they deliberate or scoreboard na yan? Ewan ko lang. Baka deliberate pa. Cote d'Ivoire. Takte. This is Atisa Prime.
It's Cote d'Ivoire.
Cote d'Ivoire. Yung host nga, hindi nga nag-practice kung paano yung pronunciation niya.
It's Cote d'Ivoire.
Cote d'Ivoire. Sige, spell Cote d'Ivoire. Ano yan? Ano ka ba? Nag-lotion ka ba?
Paano kasi masakit
Baba mo ba?
It is.
Ian, thank you so much. Binigay sa akin to ni Ian Manila. Galing Bangkok. Tita CNN is going crazy! Sana wag ipilit si Mexico bilang sila ang owner. Yung kay Vine kasi kalmado kaya sounds good. Hindi ako nakaramdam ng lukso ng dugo sa mga answers ni Vine kahit na magaling. If point system Q&A ace na natin both, I agree with you. At kung gusto nila ng medyo active na Miss Universe, magpanalo na ulit sila ng isang Pilipina. Magpanalo na sila ng karapat-dapat na Pilipina. Kat de Ver daw. I couldn't be more proud of the Golden Philippines. Wag sana ipilit si Thailand at Mexico dahil sila ang owners. Wow, oo nga, no? May platform kay Atisa just like kay Pia. Tita, sobrang may puso kay Atisa. Tsaka parang alam mo na yung sinasabi ni Atisa, hindi hangin. Kasi nga, may pruweba, tapos may hugot, tapos yun talaga yung nangyayari, di ba? Alon Academy ni Atisa ay young focus ni Kat. Deja vu sa atin! Si Atisa lang may sagot na both tangible and intangible. I agree with you. Same si Atisa ng Kat ng final question sa platform. Mas mabigat ang sagot ni Atisa since may groundwork talaga siya na binanggit. Miss Universe Philippines, first runner-up Ivory Coast, second runner-up Thailand, third runner-up Venezuela, fourth runner-up Mexico. That sounds good.
Oh.
Si Atisa ang tinik. Authentic ang sagot ni Atisa. I agree with you. Si Atisa, tita, may action na. I agree with you. Grabe ang conviction ni Atisa. She was not nervous at all. I am not nervous. I think a lot of you were not nervous at all. May blueprint ang platform. Parang memorize naman si Thailand. Wala ng top 3. A SMART action plan is a framework for setting goals that are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Bumalik ang MU sa hinaharap. Kaloka, tita, may resibo, sagot ni Atisa, like OG Catriona Gray on education. How is a call to action na question? Balik top 5 ulit, tita. Answer ni Atisa sa unang round pa lang, Catriona. Sa second round, parang Pia. Bahala na sila sa results. Di nila nilak si Atisa, actually. Palagi tayo nagsasabi ng mga ilalak sa CR. Sa totoo lang, si Atisa ang kalaklak sa CR. Sisigaw na ba tayo? Sisigaw tayo kung hindi nila ibigay sa atin yan. Because I think at this point, mas nangingibabaw na kung walang politika dyan at kung hindi natin titingnan kung sino bang mas makakalikom ng pera, kung sinong mananalo, si Atisa talaga yung flawless na nagpa-perform since yesterday. Or no, since the other day. Dalawang mother ang nasa top 5. Sino bang nasa top 5? Sino pa yung mother na nasa top 5?
Mother.
Sino? Bakit? Nanay na ba si Cote d'Ivoire? Hindi ah. Si Venezuela lang.
Venezuela? Wala naman.
Divorsyada si Vina, pero hindi naman siya nanay. Oo, lock niya yung sarili niya. Siya yung threat dyan sa mga yan. Ba, nakaka-distract naman tong boobies ko. Nakakaasar. May top 3 na ba? Parang walang top 3.
Ayan na sila.
Ayan na. Okay. Telemundo commentators, buisit. May top 3 na ba? Parang wala. May naghaharutan sa likod sa Equatorial Guinea. Sino yung kaharutan niya? Naku, maglalakad pa si Victoria. Ano ba yan? Okay, so, ang laki-laki ng stage, tas parang hindi naman utilize lahat. Iiyak na si Victoria.
Umiyak na nga eh.
Oh, umiyak na pala. Ganda ng gown niya. Uy, ang dami napuntahan ni Victoria in fairness 20 plus countries, 28 ba? Yes, very Glinda. Kaso lang di ko maintindihan, ba't ang hilig nila sobrang i-darken yung eyes niya? Di mo na tuloy makita yung pagka-blue ng eyes niya. Walang sumisigaw. Parang kahapon pa na walang sumisigaw kay Victoria, no? It's a beautiful gown. Very Glinda. Tita, everything is lining up. Nandito ka pala, tita, kaya wala ka sa YT. Oh, yes, because I was restricted. Iihi mo na ako. Feeling ko, hindi ako tatagal hanggang mamaya.
Travel taught me that beauty lives first in people. History taught me that
above and yours. Nature taught me that protecting our world is a part of the responsibility we share. And women everywhere taught me that sisterhood is a force. We're not just part of a society, we're architects of our future. Our leadership moves economies, heals division, and lights the way forward. Some of my most precious moments were on stage, but in tears shared with the people I met, in whispered encouragement between women who made the room for one another, in volunteers stacking chairs long after events ended. Those moments reminded me that purpose is lived, not worn. To every woman and every little girl watching, you're a beacon of light.
Hindi. Ganda-ganda ng crown na yan, ba't papalitan? It's a beautiful crown. Ma, lagyan ko.
Okay, lagay ko ito sa freezer.
Finally, I'm out! Okay, tita, naiintindihan mo, maiintindihan mo ba if Kot ang manalo? Yes, of course. Katulad ni Atisa, lumaban naman siya. Sabi niyo dati, El Tocuyo siya, kasi sabi niyo medyo ang masculine ng face. Try mo magpa-live sa Twitch. Hindi ko kasi alam if that's a thing dito sa atin. Ayan. Hindi, konti na lang naman masi-set up na rin yung TikTok ko na way. Takes a few days. Kaka-open lang daw kasi ng TikTok ko, kaya hindi ako makapagpa-live doon. Although I miss YouTube. I miss going live on YouTube. Walang nag-cheer sa kanya, no? Bakit kaya? Parang pinaparusahan nila si Victoria. Walang business sa Cote d'Ivoire, sa totoo lang. Kaya kung business ang ano nila, ang pakay nila, Thailand talaga or Philippines. Sa totoo lang ka panapanalo Pilipinas eh. So hindi ko lang alam kung ibibigay nila yung chance-ang yun sa Pilipinas dahil exceptional performer siya, or you know, they're gonna go for like the other things kasi ayaw natin manalo na naman ng Philippines. Yeah, pero sanib puwersa tayo. We have Jewel Mer, we have Pal, we have Bench there. Tita, what's your TikTok account? Please look for Tita Lavinia. I think there's a 6 in the end. Tatatlo pa lang yung post ko doon. So I have a TikTok account. I'm still waiting for that kasi kaka-open lang daw ng account ko, and then they're saying na parang hindi pa kumpleto yung functions. But if you go ahead and check out this logo, this one, yeah, that's my TikTok account. Wala pa ako masyadong laman dyan because I don't really plan on staying on TikTok. I'm just gonna use this platform for our Sunday lives. Oh, it's tita.lavinia6 pala. I couldn't be more proud of Golden Philippines. Tita, fearless ranking mo sa top 5. I would have to put Philippines on top. Ivory Coast, second. Second runner-up ko probably Thailand, and then Venezuela, and then Mexico. But of course, yung top 3 na yan, interchangeable yan. Bigay nila sa atin kahit sunod-sunod na ang Thailand next. Bahala na sila dyan. Ito na naman tayo. Good afternoon, tita. Ang ganda ni Atisa. Good afternoon. Tita, mabait naman ako. Bakit di ko makita ang titas? Naku, Pinoy, hindi ko rin alam kung bakit. Baka nga black ka doon. Atisa has the best answer. My concrete example, dinaan lang tayo ni Cote d'Ivoire sa eloquence. Tingin mo ibibigay kay Vene. Sana hindi nila ibigay kay Vene kasi kung na yung nakikita natin, parang hindi naman sobrang exceptional eh. Tita should have won in 2020. Thailand should have won in 2023. This year is not it. I think that parang it's kind of slipping from Vina, no? Like, I've always liked Vina. In fact, this year, I really wanted her to win na talaga. But if they give it to her this year, parang hindi ganun ka-convincing for me. if they want real business, Philippines will give them that. More investors. So, tinan mo, kahit na nalulunod na tayo sa flooding, nagbabato tayo ng para sa botohan, di ba? Mag-live ka din ba, tita, for Miss International? Naku, hindi siguro. Hindi naman ako ganun ka-interesado na doon. And on top of it, hindi na rin ako ganun nakatutok ng gusto. Ayan. Hi, Jeff! How are you? Are you not in Bangkok? Hi! Tita, para mabawasan pait na dinadanas natin from Philippine corruption, you know what? That would be such an amazing gift if they'll give it to Atisa. I know that she will uplift the Filipino nation. I know na medyo gagaan-gaan tayo ngayon Pasko, knowing na ang dami natin pinagdadaanan na nakakairita. Venezuela, very dry yung auras. And medyo aloof din, no? Parang kulang sa warmth. May live ba mamayang gabi? I think kayang mag-live mamayang gabi. Day 21, day 22. We'll see kung kayanin mamayang gabi. I'll make an announcement. Best Christmas gift, I agree with you. Kung manalo si Atisa, papalive ako mamayang gabi. Sana manalo si Atisa! Philippines talaga safest choice with all the possible business opportunities. I agree with you. Feeling ko babawi din tayo. Parang masyado tayong Actually, 2025 is not really such a good year. Hindi lang masyadong halata. Pero parang ang daming nangyayari sa 2025. Sana makabawi tayo sa 2026. Iba talaga gumawa ng Queen sa BBP. Kaya nga, we are witnessing the last of the Bini Greats! Ayan na, announcement na. Sayang si Costa Rica, nakikita ko sa likod, oh.
We are about to reach the crescendo of the show. But first,
oh my God, this host is so boring. I did not think that this is Thailand. Like, hindi man lang nag-change yung graphics sa likod. Hindi man lang siya nagmukhang magical Grand Temple, Grand Palace. Diba? Sino si Danilo? Si Danilo ng Telemundo. Ang boring niya, no? Parang tinalo niya yung pagka-boring nun sa Philippines nun. Fourth? Mexico.
Cote d'Ivoire.
Wow! Shoota, baka manalo tayo dito. Cote d'Ivoire, what? Hala, nagkakagulo na sila sa Thailand. Naparami na ako ng wine! Wait lang!
Second. And third. Mexico.
Philippines.
Third runner-up nila tayo. Na third runner-up tayo. Sana sinecond nyo na lang. Wala pa kaming second runner-up. Sana sinecond runner-up nyo na lang kami.
Ay, Thailand.
Thailand na to. Lutong-luto!
The second runner-up is
Mexico.
Venezuela.
Tangay na, lutong-luto kay Vina. Paano nangyari yan, Mexico? Paano? Usually, hindi naman ako humahanas ng ganyan, pero my God, Mexico, paano mo naluto yan?
Dami dalawang basang lang.
Paano? Paano nyo niluto yan? Kayong dalawa. My gosh! Nasa na yung picture ng fried rice? Na cooking show tayo ng husto.
One of you will be taking the crown and representing
Mexico, no. I would rather go for Thailand. I would rather go for Vina, come on. No, let's go for Vina.
The first runner-up will take her place.
Mexico, I don't know how you got there. I'm sorry.
The 74th Miss Universe is
Vina.
Do not call Steve Harvey here, Steve. Here we go. Miss Universe is Mexico!
Sabi sa'yo eh.
Gumanti sila.
Ay,
Ginantihan yung
inano to?
Ano kayo,
Cooking talking show! Sorry, usually naman very gracious ako sa maraming bagay. At usually very, ano naman ako, very...
Hindi masyadong maingay, oh. Doon sila organizer sa kanila.
Baho. Ang baho. Hindi ako
Hindi ako convinced.
Aray. Sana binigay niyo na lang sa Thailand. Hindi ako kumbinsido. Napaka-tsaka ng edition na to.
Miss Mexico,
Hindi ko alam saan nila hinugot to. Hindi lumalapit yung mga girls sa likod, oh.
take your first one.
Walang lumalapit na girls, oh.
Hindi siya maganda.
They're not convinced. They're not convinced. No one is convinced. They're not going towards her. Carry pa kong Thailand. Nah, not buying this.
Panalo si Raul.
Nah, I'm not buying this. No, 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 no.
Halika na rin, maghanap tayo ng ano.
No. No. Yun lang ang sa akin. I'm not buying this. Nope. Nope. Not buying this. Matagal na ako nanonood ng Miss Universe.
Congratulate sa kanya. O, ngayon lang.
O, ngayon pa lang.
At pero hindi nag-swipe sa
Truly
kanya.
magical evening at Sped. A huge thank you to all of our delegates, the judges, and our wonderful host, the Kingdom of Thailand.
I
Congratulations
did
once
not
again.
expect Mexico.
Okay. Another Mexican. Okay. Okay.
See you all in Puerto Rico.
Okay, bye.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, bye. Okay. So now, I think I can spend a few minutes with you talking about what happened. So Mexico just came out as the winner of Miss Universe. And yeah, not so good. Unfortunately, Mexico talaga ay saling kit-kit. Hindi talaga siya masyado nag-perform. And there was an interview with Raul saying that Mexico was gonna win. So I don't know kung paano to. Yeah, not a good edition. Not a good edition. Not because Atisa didn't make it. Atisa should have really won. It could have been Atisa and Thailand or Atisa and Venezuela. But no. Mas gugustuhin ko pang manalo si Cote d'Ivoire o si Venezuela or si Philippines or si Thailand. Mexico, hindi ko maintindihan kung saan nila nakuha yan. But anyway, it's not like hindi natin alam, diba? Of course, we knew all along, but I just did not think na sobrang garapal nila to the point na susulong nila si Mexico. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for everything. I will be uploading this on YouTube now. So this concludes our Panata. We went on for what? 21 days tuloy-tuloy. I will definitely still discuss a few things with you. So I will probably be online by tomorrow. Pero mamayang gabi siguro magpapahinga na muna ako. Kapalaran ko ng magpahinga ng very, very slight. At ang pinakamahabang Panata natin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa inyong lahat. Kahit na nandito ako sa Instagram at wala tayo sa regular na baluarte natin. 1,500, 1,400 pa rin tayo na nanonood ngayon. I don't know kung may baliktad na announcement. Sana may baliktad na announcement para masaya man lang ang Thailand. But hindi lang Pilipinas ang medyo may sama ng loob ngayon. Pati ang Thailand may sama ng loob ngayon. As a pageant analyst, hindi naman ako nahanash talaga masyado sa mga nananalo na ganyan. But I really did not think that Mexico deserved this. I know that she was vocal when it happened nung kay Nawat and you know, she was fully supported, but to reward her with a title like this sa mga girls na talagang nagtrabaho ng husto at nagperform ng husto, yeah, I think na sobrang mediocre na talaga nito. Like sobrang what the heck moment talaga nito. I think it might take a few days for us to recover from this only because this was just so unbelievably rigged. So, yeah. The luto is lutoing. My gosh. Sad. Super sad. Yeah. Okay, so, what just happened? I don't know. I wish I have, like, answers for you, but I guess the answer is super clear. Eto na yung alay na binigay nila sa kakaaway-away nila. So for now, maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. Thank you for stringing along this beautiful ride with us. And yeah, I'll see you next year, I guess. So for now, see you. Maraming salamat sa mga taga-EU chapter dyan at sa everyone na nag-create pa ng mga account para mag-check dito. On Sunday, kung okay na tayo lahat, because TikTok is giving me 7 days daw, kapag okay na yung pagpapalive sa TikTok na tayo magkita-kita. Okay, thank you, goodbye!